So students, come to page number 22 of your textbook, and this is last paragraph, which is fifth paragraph of your textbook. I know there are people who do not quite agree with the division of India and the partition of the Punjab and Bengal. Much has been said against it, but now that it has been accepted, it is the duty of every one of us to loyally means faithful to one's sovereign, abide by it, and honorably, truthfully, act according to the agreement which is now final and binding. Binding means of an agreement or promise involving an obligation that cannot be broken. Obligation means duty or responsibility on us all. But you must remember, as I have said, that this mighty revolution that has taken place is unprecedented. Unprecedented means extraordinary. So Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah talks about the division of India and the partition of the Punjab and Bengal, that the agreement to divide India into a separate state, one with Muslims and the other with Hindu, is commonly seen as the outcome of conflict between the nations. And the partition of Bengal takes place just because of primary purpose that was behind, that was administrative. Divided into two parts of India, like how they have divided it in two parts, like East and West Bengal. East Bengal or West Bengal. Muslim majority was in East Bengal and Hindus were in West Bengal. So British government gave some provisions to Muslims and Hindus stood against it. So Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah says that it has taken place. The division of Punjab and Bengal has taken place. And the agreement is now final. And there cannot be any change. There cannot be any amendment that could be taken place. So this agreement is final and we must accept it. And we have to abide by it honorably. So Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah says that this agreement has taken place and we must accept it honorably.